That's right, today and Mike, about 140,000 grad students across the country would be affected by this, and the fear is that it would make it higher education even more unattainable for low and middle income families. Rita Tomei is working toward a PhD in molecular medicine at Case Western.
I want to become a cancer researcher. Well, I already am.
Like many PhD students, her $60,000 a year tuition is waived. Instead, she's given a $28,000 stipend while she does research. A lot of research.
When you do research, it's not a 9-to-5 job. It's a job where you sit sometimes in the lab for 18 hours, 20 hours. You do overnights, you work over the weekends, over holiday.
Right now, Tomei is only taxed on that $28,000 stipend. But the House tax plan wants to tax grad students on that waived tuition amount. Money that never passes through their hands.
This is basically a virtual number, right? We don't see it in our bank accounts.
I know Congress really wants the revenue from taxes, but I think graduate students are not the one group to tax, and that really makes it discourages students from pursuing education. It impacts research universities like Case.
Dan Shoag is an associate professor at Harvard, spending a year teaching at Case. He says it'll make it harder for grad students to afford tuition at the current rates.
So it'll put pressure on universities to find a way to make graduate studies affordable.
By the numbers, there are about 6,200 graduate students currently enrolled at Case. That's more than the number of undergrads there. The University of Akron is home to nearly 3,000 graduate students. And at Cleveland State, close to 4,000 students are working toward advanced degrees.
This doesn't make graduate studies cheaper, right? It makes it more expensive.
So this move wouldn't just affect grad students, it would tax students on any tuition waiver. Say your parent works at a university and you attend for a discount. You'd have to pay taxes on the full amount of tuition. Whether this goes into effect or not depends on what the final version of the tax bill looks like. In the Tech Center, Homa Bash, News 5.